Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let us see this question over here, that in the given figure ABC and CDE are the straight lines. So here AC is a right angle and it's given here DF is parallel to CG is parallel to BH, and we have to find this Y. So now let us see what is that given things we have to write first. That given that what is that given that DF is parallel to CG is parallel to BH. So now see, we have the angle given here, that is we want 28 is given over here. So now we can see that because it is parallel, so GC and D, this angle. So because this is 28, this also should be 28 because they are the corresponding angles. So now GCD is 28. Now we will see here, we will see for this angle first, that is BC and G. BC and G, this angle. So since now this is 28 and this whole part it's given, that is 90 degree. It's given over here. So what will you do? 90 minus 28. So here, see here BCG is 90 minus 28, that is 62. So we got this angle as 62. This is 28. So because it's given over here that ACE, this whole angle, this is 90 degree. So now what we can see from that BCG is nothing but that is Y. So we can say that also is 62 because they are the corresponding angles. So now can you see this is now 62. So this also should be 62. So that we have to write the reason because they are the corresponding angle. So by this we have completed this question. Do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.